Hello everyone, it's another wonderful day and I'm super excited to share a simple delicious recipe with you. My love for pepper is real and healthy. Do you know the health benefit of bawa? Cayenne pepper aids digestion, supports heart health, it lowers blood pressure and assists with weight loss. It is so rich in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin A and C, and it has anti-inflammatory properties from capsaicin. So let me show you how to enjoy your pepper. The ingredients for today's recipe are all displayed: rice, vegetable oil, tomato paste, grounded tomato, onions, and of course pepper, bouillon cubes, and beef stock, plantain, and salt. Something is wrapped in the newspaper. Fastest finger to guess what's in the newspaper wins a taste of today's recipe. So I'm waiting. Okay, time's up. My great reveal is suya. Yes, can you see the suya? Very indulging, delicious pepper meat, greatly enjoyed by many. I bought this last night to make this recipe. Let's make a very spicy, hot, authentic Suya Jollof. You can also check my previous video how I made my homemade suya. To start this recipe, it's a must to have suya pepper spice. It's not just pepper, it contains garlic, ginger, and other spices are added to bring out the suya spice that is dusted on the beef before and after grilling it. That's what actually makes the difference. So here we have it, Fofolicious, your mixed special spice. One of the Fofolicious spice blend, like the barbecue, pepper soup, mixed spice, and so on. Today it's all about suya, so we will be using the suya spice, Fofolicious suya spice. Heat up your pot, put the vegetable oil, add all the onions from the suya, let it fry a bit, then add the grounded tomato, the onions, the pepper mix, and then the tomato paste, also the bouillon cubes and salt. Next is the key ingredient, the suya spice. It gives the jollof a very smoky, spicy, peppery taste. Please, if you cannot tolerate much pepper, you're free to add just a bit. Next, add your stock and water. When it starts to boil, add your washed rice, mix and cover. Start frying your plantain. And don't forget to check the rice. Once it's about halfway cooked, then it's time to add the suya. At this point, the suya won't be overcooked, but if you prefer to add it early, it's still okay. Reduce your heat and allow it to steam through. I can smell the jollof. It's smoky, spicy, and it's almost ready. Mix and the mission is complete. Smoky, spicy suya jollof is ready, paired with plantain. This screams hot and smoky. I'm sure you like what you see. This suya jollof tastes so good and it's delicious. Why don't you recreate this recipe and thank me later? I already have some packaged smoky, spicy, hot suya jollof here for the fastest winner. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Do have a very hot, smoky, flavored day. Thank you.